Om Namah Shivaya. Namaste. Now let's move further on the fourth zodiac sign. The fourth Rashi, Cancer, which is also known as Kark Rashi. First symbol, crab. Second, ruling planet, moon. Third, element, water. Fourth, nature, movable. Fifth, gun, sattva. Sixth, direction, north. Seventh, gender, female. Eighth, exaltation. Guru is exalted in fourth Rashi. Ninth, debilitation. Mangal is debilitated in fourth Rashi. And at the end, this Rashi is Lord of fourth house of Kal Purush Kundli. Follow for more updates. Thank you.